I don't know if anybody reads the stuff, so how much complicated this thing can be, and you need a manual to use it. Okay, it's just straightforward. Yeah. Hello everyone. So today we're gonna review this one. This is Parkside Electric Precision Driver. It's made by Lidl. It is a cheap one. It's $79.99. I just bought it a few days ago. I have already unboxed it and I have already used it. That's it. With great success. Okay, let's see what is inside. So here is a screwdriver. It's made of metal. It includes the two AAA batteries. It works with AAA batteries. Inside the box includes some tips. So the T5, T6, T8, P2, P5, P6, and some other bits, you know. Why did I buy it? Okay, I bought it because I'm repairing so many small devices like laptops and phones, and I want to be a little bit faster than my common manual screwdriver. Okay, so I will use it with this, but let's continue review this one. Okay, so this has two buttons. Do and undo. It has a light, you can see there. Here underneath it was like manual paperwork. I don't know if anybody reads the stuff, so how much complicated this thing can be, and you need a manual to use it. Okay, it's just straightforward how to use it. I have to say that is well made, full metal body. Okay, this I bought it 2-3 days ago. It's from Lidl, a UK supermarket. Well, it's a German one, but it is also working on UK. So let's see if it's yep, does the job. I think Google, well, this phone is made by HTC, okay, it's not made by Google. Okay, job done. It's connected, still connected, it's good. Yep. Okay. Okay, let's see if the surgery was successful. Okay. Very good. Yeah. Yeah, the phone has turned on. Okay. So yeah, let's finish this video. Okay, so as you saw on the video, I was I was changing the battery of Pixel 7, and this helped me a lot, you know, to be faster on my job and, you know, to give back the phone to the customer. I have to say that I could like to have this to have a pressure sensor, that how much you press it, faster or slower to be the rotation of the screw. Okay, why is that important? Because sometimes you want to start a little bit slower and after go full there. But the good thing is this, that even on the full the full speed, the rotation is quite slow. It's not rotating fast. Okay, so you want, if you be careful, you're gonna be fine with that. Okay, the torque, don't be scared about that. The torque is a little bit, but not too much to destroy your screw holes. That's it. I think I can't add anything else. Okay, I'm very happy about this. If you are looking for a screwdriver to be well made and from a brand which is middle ground, okay, it's not great but is not bad at all. Okay, it's a middle ground. You can have a full body of metal, and the good thing is, even though it's not rechargeable, the good thing is that if this battery finishes, you can just, you know, put new AAA batteries, and the best choice is to be rechargeable. So you can just have 4 batteries AAA, and just as soon this finishes, you can just push straight forward the new recharged batteries, AAA batteries, and you can immediately again full blast. Okay. And that is a good thing. Okay, so but if you had to charge it, you have to wait for 1 hour or 2 to charge. But if you have the batteries, you just in 10 seconds you are back on track. Okay, that's it. I don't think I need to add anything else. This is Parkside electric precision driver. It is well made, and if you're looking for one, go on Lidl. I don't know if they sell it yet still, but at some point, if they sell it again, you know where to find it. That's it. Have a good day, everyone.